Try this method to make 4 perfect Flying Geese units at the same time. This method works for any size Flying Geese unit. Start with 4 small squares cut 7/8 of an inch larger than your unit's finished height and a large square cut 1 1/4 inches larger than the finished width. On the wrong side of each of 4 small squares, draw a diagonal line from corner to corner. This is your cutting line. For your sewing lines, draw a 1/4 inch away from each side of the cutting line. Repeat for each small square. Place 2 of the small squares on opposite corners of the large square, right sides facing. The corners will overlap slightly at the center. Scratch into place if needed. Pinning helps keep the markings aligned as you stitch along both sewing lines. Cut between the rows of stitching following the cutting line. Press the seams toward the small triangles using spray starch for a nice crisp unit. Place the remaining small square. The inner tip will hang off a little when the raw edges of the corners are aligned. Stitch on the sewing lines. Cut on the marked line between the rows of stitching along the cutting line. Press the seam towards the small triangles, spritzing with starch as needed. With this method, you'll end up with 4 perfect Flying Geese units.